Hi, we're going to walk through this project of hanging panels, and this was designed to separate a tight area. And so you can see that we have two styles of panels there as far as the design and in two colors. And what the client needed to do, we're going to go to the second slide. What you see, the client right now has planters. They had those wooden planters. You can see that they're pretty thick at like 20 inches. And so what they needed to do in this tight area was provide that separation. And so they were looking for an option that was much thinner in profile and would still provide that separation. So what we came to the conclusion was to do these two different styles. So they were able to pick out the cutouts, and then we were able to go from the behind the column, and you can see that in the window. And so we started behind the column, and then we went right to where the floor tile was ending with the carpet. And we're able to run those with just a small separation in between. So when you look at this next picture, you will see that how thin that profile. So these are like less than, they're about half an inch is all the thicker they are. They're pretty lightweight. You can see that they go from the ceiling to almost the floor. So you can see that we lined them up to almost touch the floor. And also with that, the client really wanted though to not have it be straight from the ceiling. So we have that open area to still allow, to make the area still keep that natural light and still keep that open and fill. So we were able to hang them lower and provide that, but we do still have the separation. So they're excited about it. We're thrilled with how it looks. Think it's a great use of how to provide separation, really not take up much space to do it, and then also add a really cool design. They do also have some acoustics benefits too, so they will absorb sound. So also provide some benefits there. Hope you like it, and please reach out to Green Clean Designs, and we would be happy to take care of you and your project.